What's the meaning of acoustically? Acoustically. 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 Acoustically refers to something that is related to sound or the properties of sound waves. In practical terms, it means that a particular environment or space has been designed or modified in a way that enhances or optimizes its ability to transmit or reflect sound. This can be achieved through the use of materials that absorb or reflect sound waves, as well as through careful consideration of the layout and arrangement of objects within the space. The result of an acoustically optimized environment is typically improved clarity, balance, and overall quality of sound, whether for music, speech, or other forms of auditory communication.